What if I told you there's a trading strategy that could transform your approach to the markets? Watch closely as we dive into the euro-dollar chart using two powerful TradingView indicators. Each of these trades could have been yours. Just imagine catching these moves every single day. What about this sell signal? Look at that move. This is absolutely crazy. This move is out of control. And there's a buy signal. Perfectly timed, right? Filtering out this sell signal is a breeze with our indicators. Look at these wins. We're not just catching trends, we're riding them all the way. Every signal, every trade, hitting the mark. Are you seeing this? Trade after trade, win after win. It's like having a crystal ball for the markets. Alright, enough teasing. You're about to learn the exact strategy that made these trades possible. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Let's get to know our tools. Then let's head over to the TradingView platform to set up our strategy. Click on Indicators and add the G-Channel Trend Detection Indicator. Now let's tweak its settings and style to improve its visibility. In the Inputs tab, go to Length and change the value to 80. In the Style tab, we'll adjust the thickness and opacity of the average lines. Finally, we go to Plot Background and increase the opacity for better visibility. We can also change the colors to our liking. The G-Channel Trend Detection Indicator is designed to identify the prevailing trend in the market. It provides clear buy and sell signals, making it easier to spot potential trading opportunities. Next indicator is incredible. It's the AI Supertrend Clustering Oscillator. Click on Indicators and add it. We'll keep the default settings and just adjust the opacity and size of some parts of the indicator. The AI Supertrend Clustering Indicator uses artificial intelligence to detect trends and clusters in the market. It shows color-coded signals where blue indicates a bullish trend and red indicates a bearish trend. Additionally, a strong bullish trend would be indicated by a blue dot, and a strong bearish trend would be indicated by red dot. Now, let's move on to the strategy itself. The buy signal occurs when the G-Channel Trend Detection shows a buy, and is confirmed when the AI Supertrend Clustering Indicator is blue and displays a blue dot. Once both indicators confirm the trade, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. The stop-loss order can be placed some pips below the G-Channel Trend Detection Indicator, and the take-profit order can be placed at 1.5 times the risk. For a sell signal, we look for the G-Channel Trend Detection to show a sell, and it is confirmed with the AI Supertrend Clustering Indicator being red and displaying a red dot. Once both indicators confirm the trade, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. The stop-loss order can be placed some pips above the G-Channel Trend Detection Indicator. Finally, the take-profit order can be placed at 1.5 times the risk assumed. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you soon, traders.